The NAB's technology legacy is, I think, like most banks and large companies all over the world, it's characterised by bespoke, unique systems built by the bank for the bank, based on a set of assumptions the way our industry was going to work, which was really about the bank setting the agenda. Mm-hmm. What's changed with banks is now customers are setting the agenda, and the pace of change, I think, is just quite remarkable, and we certainly see that in the mobile space where, for customers, they want to choose how they want to deal with us and when they want to deal with us and where they want to deal with us. And I think, we've recognised that whilst we are an information technology sort of enabled company, we're not an information technology company. We simply don't have the expertise, we don't have the bandwidth, we don't have the research and development budgets to invest and build unique systems. I think it's all about systems now that provide agility and flexibility, and importantly as well, sort of integration and almost what I call open architecture, because customers want to be able to, as I say, deal with us in a range of ways, and you don't want something that's too constraining for them. What we have underway at the NAB is what we call a total environment transformation, and the reason for that is that you're only as strong as your weakest link. And so, the point I make quite often is that we can invest at the channel end, so the customer-facing end, and give them new apps and web-based applications and that. They provide a great experience. But if you don't have solid foundations and your infrastructure working, so your network's working well, or your data center's working well, or your application layers, you're going to be constrained in terms of how reliable it is, in terms of what you offer your customers. At the end of the day, also the economics need to make sense. It's no use having a great customer experience if the economics don't match up as well. So we're integrating, really, if I think about sort of think of the way the systems work in our organisation, you have your customer-facing systems, so your channel systems. You then have what I call your manufacturing layer, which is really your product ledgers, where you manufacture product and keep pricing tables. And then you sort of get down to what I call your enterprise system, so your accounting hub, your general ledgers, your procurement systems, your risk systems and all of that. And for us, it's all about driving an integrated approach. If we think of what we're doing with Oracle, effectively we're replacing 100 core systems with an integrated system. So that sort of gives you a sense of the level of integration that we're driving towards. And put another way, we don't want to have to manage the integration. We want Oracle to do that on our behalf.